Welcome, SMF Street Traders. We're going into the closing bell. Everyone's in the live trading room. Here's what we're going to do. RIMM is going to report earnings after the close. So basically, it's breaking out lots of short covering going into the close. You can see that 3, 6, 9, 12, 15-minute breakout going in. So you got short sellers coming out of the name. Bottom line. That's as far as that goes. What we're going to do is we're going to put the volume right here. And let's say 500 shares. Whoops, not 5,000, 500. But where we're going to buy it, we're going to put 42.75, 42.75. And we're going to go over here, and it says expiration, and we're going to click Day Plus. And what we're going to do is that we're willing to buy that at 42.75 in after hours based on a earnings report. Okay, and then it'll tell us the price right here. Okay, so that way the SMF MMT understands what they're buying and the amount. Now, that's the lower end to buy long. On the spike up, vice versa, is we're going to put this one out here at 51.45, and we're going to sell short with the limit price above the market just in case there's a big pop up. We can get hit short and basically hit the sell short button. It'll tell you right here MMTs, hit yes. Right here it tells you the total amount. You know what you're doing. You sell short 500 RIMM at 51.45 on ARCA and say okay, and that's the total SMF capital that you're using. And now the order's out, and that's how it's done. And basically I'll put the tape on pause and we'll see what RIMM does, and we're on standby to trade the live options trades. And for the innocent people, what do I mean by that? Innocent bystanders just watching the video. If you don't know a lot about the stock market, that's fine. There's probably a lot of things you're not privileged to know only because it would be new. Okay? But you can always come and enjoy SMF. The market has just now closed and it's 1 o'clock p.m. So basically, what I have here is an after hours RIMM chart. And basically, it'll show you what will happen when they announce the earnings. You will see a knee jerk in the print, and all SMF MMTs are taught in after hours earnings how to capitalize and understand earning reports and make profits. Right now, we have shorts above the market and below the market on this very video. And we're waiting on the headline number, and there's that tick chart, and the buyers and sellers are moving ahead of the report. As you can see, the prints 46.49 as a close, and they're at 75.79 pennies right here right now. Here we go. We got a short out at 51.45. We got a short out at 154, a sell out there. Look at that. We got a big pop. Here it is at 49, SMF Street Traders. There it is. After hours tick chart. I don't have a number yet, but I can tell you one thing. We're going to see just what it did, and this is why we told you about them $50 calls and all them videos and what that bullish part was and what it was, and we're running north of 50. I'm going to cancel all. The shorts are going to get hammered, so we got long that move. They hit it and they dropped it $1 right off of that high end of that spike. What we still got a 51, 50.45. We're going to see on that pullback there, he's taking it down hard. Let's see if I got a number. Research in motion, Q3, $1.62 and $1.70 versus $1.39. Reuters sees revs, their consensus revs were 5.3 to 5.5 versus 4.83 billion. So that's what RIMM did, was 5.3 to 5.5 versus 4.83 billion Thomas Reuters consensus. And that's important for you to know. So basically, stock is fading off the top. We don't have any guidances. We shot right up here to the moon. Let's go ahead and record that. There it is right there. That was right up there at $50.70. If you remember on the video, it was 51.45. It didn't quite reach us, and then it started to drop rapidly. And we're going to come down and see if we make a price and see if we can get net long on that trigger bounce. There it goes. Time to execute on the long position. That noise is out there. The noise is out there. So let's do that one. Here we are. We're ticking up. We're going to see if we can break this high first. 49.25. 51 could be the top. We got to 50.77, and we're live right now in Research in Motion. Go watch the videos on stockmarketfunding.com that we put out today about how to have them $50 calls up and out of the money, called the volatility trade.